Hi guys, so now for this problem all about vector calculus. So this is an application of vector derivatives, which is the divergence. So for the divergence, we have this general formula, the nabla operator or the del operator, which is yung inverted delta. So this is your nabla or del operator. Ida-dot product natin siya sa vector field, which is yung given vector field natin, which is 2x cubed I hat minus 3xy j hat plus 3x squared z k hat. So wag kayo ma-confuse if ginamit ko si f, then nasa problem is g. Pwede rin naman natin siya palitan as g. Okay? So ibig sabihin, ito dot product natin yung del operator doon sa given vector field, which is ito. Okay? So pwede rin naman sabihin ganyan. Nabla dot product to g. Okay, this is your vector field. Is equal to, ang formula natin dito is equal to F1 or yung field 1 natin na naka I hat, okay, plus F2 J hat plus F3 K hat. Tapos, hindi lang yun. Etong part na to is ida-dot product natin sa nabla operator, which is ano yun? Partial derivatives. So partial derivative na x sa I hat plus partial derivative ng y sa j hat, tapos plus partial derivative na z sa k hat. Okay. So ibig sabihin, etong mga to, multiply mo dito. Pag minultiply mo tong I sa I, ano equivalent? Diba 1? So ibig sabihin, you're going to partial differentiate your f1 with respect to x. Okay? Plus, you're going to get naman the partial derivative of your f2 with respect to y naman. Then, plus, you're going to get the partial derivative of f3 with respect to z is equal to, ito yung dot product or yung divergence formula for this kind of vector field. Okay? So, let's go. Okay, ano yung F1 natin? Ang F1 natin, according to this example, is your 2x cubed. Lagi yung titingnan yung mga vector operators, itong ijk. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, since nasa I siya, ito ang pa-partial derivative natin with respect to x. So, what's the partial derivative of 2x cubed? So, that is 6x squared, diba? So, ibig sabihin, this one is already in 6x squared. Then, I times I is equal to 1. So, nothing to do with that. Then, minus, what is the partial derivative of y with respect to this problem? So, 3xy. Then, i-treat natin yung 3x as constant. So, ibig sabihin, 3x lang, ito lang yung partial differentiate natin. What is the derivative of y? That is 1. So, ibig sabihin, na matitira lang minus 3x. Okay? Then, last example. So, last part is your 3x squared z. The partial derivative of z with respect to this one, i-treat natin yung 3x squared as constant, tapos yung z lang yung derivative natin. So, what's the derivative of z? That is 1. So, 1 times 3x squared is equivalent to 3x squared. So, plus 3x squared is equal to nabla g operator. Yeah. So, since meron tayong like terms, so si x squared plus 3x squared is equal to 9x squared. So, your final answer to this problem is 9x squared minus 3x. So, this is your divergence in the vector field. Yeah. Okay. So, thank you for listening to this example.